Ceasefire. First, there has to be a ceasefire before the transitional period takes place. Vanity. Her vanity won't allow her to pass a mirror without looking at herself. Tangle. The complexity is hidden in an unseen tangle of streams. Pungent. The fish is detected by nothing more than its pungent smell. Snore. Sometimes my husband snores so loudly it keeps me awake at night. Negotiate. We have been negotiating for more pay. Sip. Lisa relaxed on the beach, sipping fruit juice through a straw. Diverge. They walked along the road together until they reached the village, but then their paths diverged. Deceased. The paintings are by his deceased brother, Dan. Congested. Traffic is congested, heading into and out of the city this morning. Insomnia. Ben's insomnia prevented him from getting enough rest. Audible. The sounds of the drums was audible from miles away. Damp. This shirt still feels a bit damp. Perish. 300 people perished in the earthquake. Soar. As the sun rose, 2 eagles soared through the sky. Whip. I could hear someone whipping. Faint. I almost fainted in the heat. Weird. My brother is a bit weird. Shrink. If you stick to a healthy diet, your stomach will shrink. Conceal. You should conceal your money so no one can take it from you.